Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Through this video, I'm gonna help you guys with words which are frequently used in application letters. In the previous video, I have explained what are all the words are used in application letters starting with letter A. Now in this video, I will cover the words starting with letter B and C. So without any delay, let's start the video. And happy learning back. The applicant is resubmitting an application after it was previously rejected or put on hold, essentially going back to apply again with potentially updated information or addressing previous concerns balance. This term is almost always used in a financial context on an application form asking you to provide the current balance of a specific bank account. Basis. Basis refers to the reason, criteria, or foundation upon which a decision will be made regarding your application. Benefit. Benefit refers to an advantage or perk, usually in the form of non-wage compensation, like health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, or other perks that an employer offers to employees in addition to their salary. Best. Best typically means to provide information as accurately and completely as possible. Broaden. Broaden means to increase the scope or range of something, usually referring to expanding your skills, experience, or knowledge base beyond a specific area to make yourself a more versatile candidate. Business. Business means the company, organization, or entity that the applicant is currently employed by or is applying to work for. Calibre. Calibre means the quality or level of ability of a person, essentially referring to their skills, experience, and overall competence in relation to the job capable. Capable means having the ability, skills, and qualifications to successfully perform the required tasks of the job. Capacity. Capacity refers to the role or position in which you are applying, essentially asking you to specify what function or responsibility you are seeking within the organization you are applying to. Certify. Certify means to formally state or declare, usually by signing, that the information provided is true and accurate. Challenge. Challenge means asking you to describe a time when you faced a demanding situation and successfully overcame it, demonstrating your capabilities and resilience. Character. Character in application form refers to a person's moral qualities, integrity, and overall reputation. Chief. Chief means the head or leader of a group, organization, or department, essentially indicating the person with the highest authority or ranking in that specific area. Choice. Choice refers to the option or possibility to select one thing from a list of available alternatives provided by the form. Circumstance. Circumstance refers to the specific conditions or details surrounding your current situation. Claim. Claim means to state that you are entitled to something, usually a benefit or deduction, based on specific criteria or circumstances that you must provide evidence for. Classify. Classify on an application form means to categorize or group your information into a specific category based on the criteria provided. Clear. Clear means that the information provided is unambiguous, easily understood, and free from any errors or inconsistencies. Coach. Coach typically refers to a person who will provide guidance, training, or mentorship to help you develop your skills or prepare for a specific role. Coherent. Coherent means that your response should be logically organized, clear, and easy to understand, with all parts of your answer relating to each other in a consistent manner, making sense as a whole. Cohort. Cohort refers to a group of people who share a common characteristic, like starting a program or course at the same time, meaning they will progress through the learning experience together. Colleague. A person you work with, usually referring to someone in a similar professional role or at a similar level within your organization. essentially a fellow worker or associate in your field. Combine. Combine means to join together or merge different elements, experiences, or qualifications into a single unified whole. Commend. Commend means to formally praise or recommend someone. Commerce. Commerce, in an application form, refers to the act of buying and selling goods or services, essentially meaning the field of trade or business activities related to exchanging goods and services between individuals or companies. Commission. Commission typically refers to a percentage of the sale price that a salesperson will earn if they successfully sell a product or service. Commit. Commit on an application form, it means you are fully pledging or agreeing to the terms and conditions stated, signifying your intention to actively participate if accepted. Communicate. Communicate means to effectively share information, ideas, or thoughts with others, usually through speaking, writing, or other forms of expression. Competent. Competent means having the skills, knowledge, or experience to do something well enough to meet a standard. Comprehensive. Comprehensive means something is complete, thorough, or includes all or nearly all aspects. Concise. Concise, in an application form, means to keep your answers short, clear, and to the point, avoiding unnecessary details or wordiness. Condition. It refers to the specific conditions or scenarios under which an application component is used, including information on exceptional cases and requirements for its validation. Conducive. Conducive in an application form means creating or providing the right conditions for something positive to happen. Confident. Confident in an application form means that you strongly believe in your ability to successfully perform the job or task required. Confirm. Confirm means to verify or state that the information you have provided is accurate and true. Conscientious. Conscientious on an application form means that you are very careful, thorough, and diligent in your work, taking pride in doing your duties properly and with a strong sense of responsibility. Consider. Consider means to carefully think about or evaluate someone or something before making a decision. Consistent. Consistent means that your information provided throughout the form should be the same and not contradict itself, ensuring a coherent narrative about your background, skills, and experiences. Consult. Consult in an application form means to seek advice or information from someone or something. Coordinate. Coordinate means to arrange or organize different parts or people to work together effectively. Creative. It typically means the ability to generate original ideas, think outside the box, and come up with innovative solutions to problems. Credential. Credential refers to a document or piece of information that verifies your qualifications, competence, or authority to do something. Thank you for watching the video and patiently learning New Hope. You like it? Share and subscribe too. Have a good day.